Alright guys, you are welcome back to these videos. In the last video that I posted on this channel, I talked about this platform and how I make $8 in 1 minute. Okay, after the 1 hour that I joined this platform, that I trade with them. So in the after 3 hours of joining this platform, this is the profit that I make, and you can see that my profit is more than loss here. See, my profit is 1 2 1 2 3 4 5, and my loss is 2. Okay, I follow their steps, I follow their trading times that they gives in their community. Okay, and I win on this platform. So I will show you how I do this right now and how you can do it too. So if you are a new viewers here, you can watch the last video I post on this channel. You can click on top of here, you see the link on the top of this video, click it and go and watch the videos on how to do this. So what do you need to start with this? Okay, what you need to do is you click on the link on my bio to sign up if you are new registered user. Okay, click on the link on my bio to get started. So when you started, you see your home like this. What you need to do is that you don't have any money on your dashboard, so you need to deposit with USDT to start making money with this platform. So what you need to do right now is you click on the deposit. So I click on the deposit right now. So I click on USDT. I want to make deposit with USDT. So what do you need to do to start deposit with this? So you need to copy this address right now. You need to copy this address. Okay, and then once you copy this address, you can use the QR code if you are someone that know how to deposit with QR code. And then this address is only work for USDT TRC20. Okay, so you now go to your Bybit or your Binance account. Once you go to your Bybit or your Binance account, all what you need to do there is that copy this link and take it there and deposit through USDT TRC20. Okay, if you are a beginner, you can start with $10, $20 or $30. So if you are a pro that you have money to start and win big, imagine if deposit a lot of money on this platform to make this money. You know how much I will be making right now. If I'm trading with $100, I'll be getting around $80 in 1 minute. Okay, you know how much I'll get. So that's why you need to stake higher if you want to earn higher. So if you're a beginner, you don't have a lot of money, start with $10, $20 to get started. Okay, so if you want to start, go to the link on my description to get registered. Okay, so now that you know how to register right now, so how do you trade with this platform and start making money? They have community that you can join, and I will show you this community right now on how you can join. So the first thing you need to do is let's go to the interface of their trading. Okay, right now, so this is their interface of the trading platform. Okay, so I want to show you how this works and how I make this money. And if you can come here, you see that on the first trade that I make here, you see I get a profit of $8 USDT right now. So what you need to do is that you see that the first one is short, prediction direction is short, and the second one prediction direction is short. And if you see the one that I lose here is $10, which is I place on long. Okay, prediction direction is long, and you see profit of $8, which is long right now. So if you see this one is short right now, I make a profit of $8, which I trade with $10, and I made a profit on my trading. Okay, so what you need to do now is that you see these things when we are talking about short and long right now. So if you want to stake with this platform, all you need to click on doing is to click on the order amount and place the amount that you wanted to trade with this platform. So what you need to do is that I click on 10 right now. So if I want to trade with them, there is one we call long and there is one we call short. If you are talking about a long is the green options. Okay, long is the green and short is the red. So in the next 1 minute that they give you, that the trade will start and stop, the 1 minute, if you choose short, okay, the trading must be on red. Alright, the trading must be on red, and if you choose long, the trading must be on green for you to earn profit. That's why I say you need to follow their market for you to make money. But if you are an expert in trading platform already, you know what this thing is and how it works and how you can do it and go with it. Okay, so right now what I will show you right now is where the community is and how you can get access to it. I will just show you right now. Here is the community where they give you market, they give you time to trade and everything. And you see that this is the last 50 sections, and you see they win they win on these things, and you see the total profit here is 351%. Okay, and then you have a lot of money to gain from this thing once you follow these steps and start making money for yourself. Oh, what you need to do is to copy their market and go and place it on this platform right here. So what I need to do is that I go through, put you through how to withdraw on this platform once you trade and win with this platform. So let's move back to the platform and show you step by steps on how to withdraw with this platform. Once you go to the platform and copy the long and short, if they predict long or short, you copy it, just come here and place it here, and you wait for the time to end and make money. So let me put you through how to withdraw on this platform. All what you need to do is to come to the withdraw. When you be on your withdrawal at first time, it will ask you to input your funding password. Okay, so you input your funding password and it will show you something like this. Then you come here and click on the withdraw with USDT, and then if you are new viewer, what you just need to do is that you can withdraw 5 times daily. Okay, I have withdrawn 1 time today, and this is for you to remain 4 times. And what you need to do is to click on the arrow on the withdraw address. Once you click on the arrow, you see I have address before here. So if you don't have address, all what you need to do is to click on the plus icon. Okay, click on the plus icon. Because I have address, that's why it's not working. So what I need to do right now is to click on the address. I click on it and it shows here on the withdrawal address. So what I need to do here is that I come here and I input the amount that I want to withdraw. Let's say I want to withdraw 10 USDT right now. I don't want to withdraw everything, so that I will use the remaining one to trade again. So what you need to do is to input your password, fund password that I talked about before, and you click on the withdrawal. Okay, so they charge 50 cents on your withdrawal. Any amount that I want to withdraw, they charge 50 cents. That's how these platforms works. And if you have anybody that wanted to register us on this platform, all what you need to do is that you come here into your home and click on the invitations. Okay, once you click on the invitations, and you will see your invitation link here and invitation code, the one that you would like to choose to start giving people to get started with you. And they have invitation instructions here that you can go through and read. Now what you need to do is to copy your invitations and give it to the person that wanted to join this platform and start making money. That's how these platforms works, and I will keep updating you guys how I'm making money with this platform. Okay, so that I'm giving you updates on the trades that you can do with this platform and start making money.